You must have heard everywhere that you should join the real world, you should get into the real world by Tate, and now in fact you're ready to join the real world. But the question arises here is, how do you make money, right? What are the steps to make money after you get into the real world portal? Because nobody is talking about this. Everyone is saying that you should join the real world. Okay, we get it, but how to actually make money inside the real world? I'm going to tell you in this video step by step, so stay tuned till the very end. So now you might have already joined the real world, or you'll be thinking to join the real world because you have seen so many videos of Andrew Tate everywhere. I understand. I was one of those guys like you initially, and I was also confused that after I get into the real world, how do I actually make money? This is the biggest question, and let me answer it in a very simple way to you guys. So when you join the real world for the very first time, they give you a few set of questions. They ask you, what is your current financial condition? Do you have some capital? Do you have some money? Do you have any businesses running? And you answer all those questions. Based out of all those questions, they give you a certain campus inside to join, which suits your requirements and helps you make money or grow your money. And after they recommend you a campus, you simply join that campus. Now, I understand there are so many campuses inside the real world. Everyone would like to join every campus and see what is inside that campus. But please understand one thing, guys. If you distract yourself initially in that phase, you will never make it, because you have to stick to one single campus till you complete the whole campus and implement it. Then only you can move on to other campuses. Because you have to understand, if the real world team gives you no campuses by default inside the real world portal, that means something. That is because they don't want you to get distracted by seeing so many campuses inside the real world. So all they give is a single campus initially, which is the real world campus. Now in this campus, they teach you exactly what is money, how to make money, how to handle your money, how the government prints money, and everything you will understand in this campus. Most of you guys, I know, do not do the real world campus courses because you think that it is just an additional thing. But this is not additional. This is your foundation. This is your basis. This is what Andrew himself teaches inside the real world campus. So make sure before starting any other campus to learn in, example, copywriting, e-commerce, you first go and you first start the real world campus courses and watch the entire course to understand exactly what is money and how you can grab it. Now you have the foundation of money. Now you know what exactly is money, and now you're ready to go and take actions and learn how to perform the task, how to learn, how to do everything in order to get success. Basically, you have the mentality to make money and to handle money. That is going to come to you very soon. So after you complete the real world campus inside the real world, now you're eligible to go and join any other campus. For example, copywriting, e-commerce, AI content creation, affiliate marketing, whatever campus you would like to join, you can join it now. How you're going to proceed, how you should take actions to actually make and succeed in the real world. Well, very first thing is you have to have the discipline. Make sure that if you are giving 2 hours a day inside the real world portal, then you should give 2 hours a day for the next n number of days. Let's say for one complete month, you give 2 hours a day consistently with discipline. Every single day, you have to put that amount of time into the real world to learn, because if you do not stay consistent, then the results won't come as you expect. So discipline and consistency are those two things that you have to have in order to get success with the real world. So you have to start taking the lessons inside that particular campus by watching those videos and by reading the notes given by the professor. Now make sure that you also make your own notes and your own copy in your own notepad, whatever it is, because there are so many videos inside a single campus that it is very hard to sustain so much information. It is very hard. I have tried. I thought that I won't forget whatever they are saying, but it is not the case, because it is such a huge campus. You will certainly forget whatever they teach you in the initial phases, and then it will get a problem to you because now your foundation is not very solid and you have to go all over back again to watch the previous videos. So make sure you keep making notes, whatever they teach you in a single video, but do not implement side by side. See, this is your own call if you want to implement side by side, but I do not personally recommend you, because what I want you to do is watch the whole campus first, take notes of the whole course, understand what is exactly the whole money making game inside that campus, and after you have understood the whole game plan, now it's time to execute, because now you have your own notes and you have the knowledge in you. You can go and start performing, start actually taking actions, which is the biggest part of this whole journey, right? Because everyone can go and learn and make notes. This is what the schooling system tells you, right? You can make notes. That's easy. This is the hardest part, where you have to go and actually perform those actions. You actually have to go and build a business. Now, after you have started implementing, you have built your business, please make sure to give it time. Do not stay in a hurry. I know, because you want to make money as soon as possible. You have already invested so much time. Understand one thing, it's not a one night game, right? You have to be consistent. You have to give it adequate time to at least show results, at least show you something that's going to make you confident that this really works. Do not expect to build your business and expect to get clients, get customers in a day or in a week. It can take you months, depending on how much time and effort you put and what path you are on. So please do not stay in a hurry. Do not try to just jump campuses. This is a very big problem among all these students. All they do is they jump the campuses. This is the worst thing you can do inside the real world. If you stick to one and just perform and just give it your best, give it your time, give it your energy, 100% you're gonna make it. There's no other way, because every other person inside that campus is making it. You can see literally, if you go to their wins channel, every other person is posting their own wins. They tell you how they make it, how they are getting money. So if they can make it, you can too. But the thing is, you have to give it adequate time and you have to give it adequate efforts. Do not switch campuses like a monkey. Now, if you have already done everything inside the campus and you have implemented everything, you have given adequate time, and still you are not getting results, now then the community comes in. The community which is provided by the real world. You can go and ask the questions inside the community, inside the channels of that particular campus. Well, the good thing is, I also have started a community of the real world doers or action takers. This community is absolutely for free and you can join it too. All you have to do is just join the real world or renew the real world using my link and send me a screenshot on my Discord or contact me on Discord, and I will get you inside the real world community. Already there are a handful of people inside that community who are networking and who are sharing their knowledge, their questions and getting their answers. So much is going on inside my Discord server. So if you haven't joined my Discord server, make sure you join it so that you can get so much free information. So yeah, as I said, you can ask questions inside the community. You can try to reach out to the professor. You can check the FAQ section of that particular campus. If still you are not able to make it, which is very hardly the case, if you have given everything and you're still not making it, there's something very wrong going on it, and then you can think of changing a campus. But 99% you're gonna make it if you follow everything properly and if you give it proper time. Now here's the thing, guys, after you start making money from your business, right, make sure to join the fitness campus inside the real world, because I think this is the most underrated campus. I already made a video on it, so you can check that out. I will leave that video link in the iCard, so you will be seeing it right up here or in the description. That campus is so underrated, because after you start making money, you have to take care of your own physical health, because it is as important as making money. So make sure you join the fitness campus so that you don't degrade your health and you stay fit, get healthy. And I understand you want to grow your business more, you want to do more business, but it is necessary to give focus on your health. And after you join the fitness campus, you understand the whole thing, you start implementing exercises and you are all fit, you can go ahead and join other campuses, whatever you want, because now you already have a business which is making you money. Now you are free to go and roam around inside the whole real world, try different things however you want, because now you have some cash flow coming in your bank every month. So now you are all good to go. You can roam around, you can check other campuses, take on any campus you want. Now you're free. But make sure initially, when you don't have anything, any capital, you have to invest everything in a particular line, in a particular way, so that you make it for sure. That is important. So yeah, guys, that was it for this video. I hope you understood that how you actually make money, how you actually do actions inside the real world. And if in case you need any help joining the real world, then you can contact me directly on my Discord server and I'll be more than happy to help you. So yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and thank you for watching.
A car pulls up, who can it be? A fresh Rolls Royce with a real OG. He rolled down his window and he started to say,
you need a Shopify mentor to up your game. Cause the store's on the web, but what we make, we keep running the maths, we keep killing the game. Knowing nothing in life but the way to get paid. You could quote me, boy. Here's the link to my